Retirement advice for millennials. Are you a millennial nearing retirement? Or are you just starting to think about it? If so, you're in for a rude awakening. The world of retirement is changing, and if you're not prepared, you could be in for a nasty surprise. Here are a few things you need to know about retirement in the new millennium. You can't rely on Social Security. Social Security was never meant to be a retirement plan. It was designed as a safety net to help keep seniors out of poverty. But with the rising cost of living, many seniors find that Social Security isn't enough to cover their basic expenses. If you want to retire comfortably, you can't rely on Social Security alone. You'll need to supplement it with other sources of income, such as a pension or savings. Pensions are disappearing. Pensions used to be a mainstay of retirement income, but they are rapidly disappearing. According to the Pew Research Center, only about 20% of private sector workers had access to a pension in 2012. That number is down from 38% in 1980. You'll need to save on your own if your company doesn't offer a pension. And even if your company offers a pension, it's not likely enough to cover all your expenses in retirement. You'll need to save more than ever before. With pensions disappearing and Social Security benefits stagnating, you'll need to save more than ever to have a comfortable retirement. According to the Employee Benefit Research Institute, workers aged 55 and older have a median of just $104,000 saved for retirement. You'll need to save to cover at least 10 years of expenses to have a comfortable retirement. And if you want to retire sooner, you'll need to save even more. You might need to work longer. You might need to work longer if you don't have enough saved for retirement. Working longer has a few benefits, such as increased Social Security benefits and a longer time to save. But working longer isn't always an option. If your health is declining or you don't enjoy your job, you might not be able to work until the traditional retirement age. You need to be prepared. The world of retirement is changing, and if you're not prepared, you could be in for a nasty surprise. Don't rely on Social Security or a pension to support your retirement. And make sure you have enough to cover at least 10 years of expenses. If you do, you'll be in good shape for retirement in the new millennium. If you want the latest tips and tricks for retiring comfortably in the new millennium, subscribe to my channel.